Okay, now what is antivirus? Antivirus is a software program that is designed to detect, prevent, and search and remove the computer viruses. We have learned about many different viruses. So, antivirus, what antivirus can do? Antivirus can detect these types of viruses, and they can it can prevent them to come into to come into your computer, to enter into your computer. And they can, if there is any virus in your system which is already there, so it will be able to, antivirus software will be able to remove that virus from your system. So antivirus can detect these viruses, it can search the information of these viruses, and they can remove the viruses from your system. But it is also very important to update antivirus definition regularly, otherwise it will not be able to detect the upcoming new viruses which is there in the market. तो जब आपने इंस्टॉल करा एंटीवायरस तब तक सपोज इफ देर आर टोटल 10 टाइप्स ऑफ वायरसेस, तो वो उन 10 टाइप्स के वायरसेस को ही डिटेक्ट कर पाएगा, एंड इट विल नॉट बी एबल टू डिटेक्ट एनी न्यू वायरसेस which is prevalent in the market these days. Okay, example of antiviruses are AVJ, Quick Heal, Avira, and Avast. So you can install any of them. What are the functions of antivirus software? They used to scan the files and directories, files and folders of for the malware, for any types of uh, virus in your system, allow you to schedule scan to run automatically. इसमें using the antivirus software you can also set the timings that every time you will on your system, automatically your antivirus should do the full scanning of your system. So you can do the scheduling of scans, allow you to initiate scan before using CDs and pen drive. Whenever you will insert your pen drive, it will not allow you to access the content till the time you will not scan it. Remove any malicious code. If if it get detected into your computer, then it will help you to remove that malicious code or virus from your system. Show health of your computer, that how strong is your system right now. So it also shows the health of your system. Cyber security tips. Now, what are the different types of cyber security tips which we should follow while doing anything online? So first is you have to look for the lock. Look for the lock means for every genuine site, those who used to update their certificates, there is one rule of which is universally accepted, and that rule is every website has to upload their certificate, कि साइट कब किसने बनाई है, and who is having the copyright of this website. So if they are following all the rules, then this green symbol will appear in front of that website. It means it's a secure website and you can easily access this website without any issue. So this green symbol it means the site is secure. But if it is coming in red color, HTTPS is coming in red color, then it means the site is not secure, or maybe they have not uploaded the certificate of their cyber security rules, whether they are following or not. Or if you are doing any online transaction using this site, so it can be a fake site, so you have to, they are just awareing you for this. So you always have to check this lock before before doing any online transaction, because if the sign is red, it means the site is not secure or it may be a fake site. So you should not do any online transaction uh, without checking this sign. Always check for the green locked padlock icon in the address field of the web browser, which means that the website meets security, strict cyber security standards. All the security standards are they are following. Next is protect your password. Keep your password. Always keep your passwords very strong. Choose a strong password always. Uh, like write numbers, capital letters, and small letters and special characters. You should use all of them. Change password in every 3 to 6 months. Remember to log out every time you are accessing your bank account. So it is very important to log out, because if you will keep your bank account logged in every time, then anybody can misuse that details, or anybody can transfer the money from your account. Never share your personal details with anyone through email or phone. Whatever you want to do, either you visit to your bank branch and do changes, whatever you want to do, the changes, you have to go to the branch directly, and you can do it from there only. Don't disclose any these types of information, secret information, on email or phone. Install latest security softwares, and keep your firewall on. Always keep your firewall on your system to avoid bad traffic. Bad traffic is basically, most of the time, advertisements appear on your screen if you open a particular website which is not maybe the secure website. So to avoid this bad traffic, you can on your firewall, so that every time if you will try to access any this type of website, your Google will ask you whether you still, your Chrome will ask you whether you still want to open this website, because it is not secure. So I'll show you one of the website like this. And how can we make firewall on? You can go to the control panel, and now change the category to small icons. Now there is an option of firewall. Click on this and check. Right now my firewall is already on, so it means it is protecting my system from the bad traffic. So you can make it on or off from here. It is on. You can off it also, but it is always recommended to on your. Here also it is written not recommended, not recommended to off your firewall. Okay, now let's check a website whether computer is going to block it or not. Because I have already opened so many times this website. So now the message is not coming because I have given the permission to open this website. But when you will open this website, it will show you, see here, it is coming not secure. Kyuki this is a, right now, this is a new website of a cyber crime branch. So recently they have launched this website. So maybe they have not uploaded all the certificates of this website till now, so that's why it is coming not secure. But we don't have to do any online transaction using this website. We, if you know that there is any crime which is happening in with you, or maybe any of your family member, you can report that cyber crime to this website. You can report it if a child is related to if the case is related to woman or a child, you can report it here. And if there is any other crime, for example, somebody has taken your account details and they are misusing your account details, so you can report this type of crime here. Or see, here is an icon also. The name is Vani. Namaste. I'm a cyber dost. I am here to assist you regarding cyber crime complaints. If you feel you are in danger, dial 112 emergency number, or click on the relevant option. You want to report a complaint, or you want to know about the safety tips. Safety tips regarding online bullying, safety tips regarding mm, mobile hacking, safety tips regarding cybercrime, social media safety, or whatever you want to know. Suppose I wanted to know about online fraud and scam. Okay, here it is coming. Mobile hacking, employment fraud. So all the details are coming here. So you can go through all these details and points. Or if you want to report a complaint, then again, either you can click on this icon, or you can click on this report other cyber crimes. So this is right now the site is not secure, but we are not going to do any online transaction using this site. So you can register your complaint here. Okay, so with the help of this firewall, we can stop or block unwanted traffic. It will ask you first if there is any site you which you are trying to open. If that site will not be secure, it will ask you whether you still want to open it or not. And if you allow, then only the site will open in front of you. Second thing is install a good antivirus in your system and keep it updated. Next is change ATM pins regularly. About 70% ATMs in India are running on outdated operating system. It means they are not, most of the time they are not secure. So it is important to update पिन इन एवरी 6 मंथ्स, क्योंकि जब आप एटीएम पे जाके ट्रांजेक्शन करते हो तो जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम होता है मे बी इट मे लीक योर इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑल्सो, योर पिन नंबर ऑल्सो. So most of the 70% ATMs are not secure. So you should change your PIN in every 6 months. Remember and check your credit card statements regularly. ये नहीं कि आपने 2-3 महीने तक अपनी statement check ही नहीं करी and now your account is blank. You have no money in your account. So you should check it regularly also. Restrict what you reveal. So if somebody is calling you and he is asking you to provide the OTP or any other secret information or your Aadhaar card number or any other number, you should not disclose these types of information. You should restrict yourself what you are revealing in front of anyone. Never share your sensitive information such as credit card information, PIN numbers, OTP, passwords, etc. to anyone. Read the terms and conditions of a website before doing any online transaction. If you are opening a site of a Myntra or Amazon, you should read, you should make it a habit to read it. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ये वाली वेबसाइट सिक्योर होती हैं, अमेजोन की और मिंत्रा की. बट कई बार हम शॉपिंग करते हैं तो वी यूज टू ओपन सम चाइनीज साइट ऑल्सो. सो वी यूज टू परचेज सम आइटम्स फ्रॉम देयर. तो मतलब मे बी दो साइट्स आर नॉट सिक्योर और मे बी दे कैन बी फेक साइट. So you should read the terms and conditions of those sites before doing any online transactions. Be smart and stay safe online, because if you will not be smart enough to judge whatever you are doing on the computer or through the network, uh, it may, your personal information may get leaked and somebody can misuse that information also. So you have to be smart enough to use the internet or the electronic gadgets which we are using nowadays. Then only we can keep ourselves safe.